Okay, so the next screen video I'm going to show you about is your um, reading assignment. That will be for the next 2 days. To find that, it's in March Learning, March 19th Learning, your schedule, in other words. I'm going to scroll down to reading as soon as it pops up. Sorry it's taking so long. Okay, and this is the activity that you're going to be doing. So you're going to do a digital escape room. It's a lot like the reading math mysteries that we've been doing. To do this activity, you're going to click on the Storm Chasers escape picture. It's going to bring you to the site that you are going to use to do this activity. Okay, so an escape room is basically a place. They have them all over the world now. Where you go, you work together as a group, you are put into a room and locked in, and you have an hour to figure out the clues to get yourself out and know the code. Okay, so a digital escape room kind of works the same way. We have a fake story here that you're going to read. It says it's a dark and stormy day. The storm chasers are used to being in this kind of weather, but as they chase the storm, they know this one's different. Okay, the storm takes a turn for a worse, and they need to find somewhere safe. Okay, they try to go to their old van and an old barn and all these different places, and they realize that they need to find a safer place, so they find a cellar door. And they know it's a better place to go. However, there's a lock on the door. You have to help them unlock this door by doing these activities. So normally if we were doing this at school, I would make you guys sweat it out and try to figure out how you get the information so that you can help them. Okay, because we're at home, I'm going to let you know. All you do is click on these. So when you move your cursor across the screen, you'll notice that sometimes it's going to look like this. That means I can't do anything here. Okay, and sometimes it's going to turn into a little hand. If it turns into a little hand, that's a clue that you can do something here. So I'm going to click on thunderstorms. Okay, sometimes it's going to lead you directly to the activity. Other times it's going to say make a copy. If it says make a copy, you make a copy. So make a copy. It opens up. Okay, and this skill is practicing vocabulary. So you're going to read the definition, and you are going to then move the words over to the correct spot. So I'll do the first one with you. A loud booming sound that happens with lightning, that is thunder. So I'm going to take thunder, I'm going to drag it over here. When you're all done, you notice that all your words are different colors. This is a color code lock. Okay, so you will need to use the information for the order of this in order to unlock your door. Okay, so if we come back to the weather escape, you will notice that at the bottom of here, it says what is the code. So this is a color lock. So the first color in your lock is red. So you would type R. Okay, if the next one is blue, you would type B, and so forth and so on until you have used all the colors that were on here. Okay, that's how you do this. The only other thing I want to mention, I'll go through each of them very quickly so you can kind of see. So that was a vocabulary one. Hurricanes is you read the story and answer the questions, and when you're all done, okay, for that one, you are given a word. So when you're all done, the answers will spell a word. The word is one word, 4 letters. Okay? Excuse me. Tornadoes is, again, a puzzle. Okay? And when you're all done for that one, it is a letter lock clue. Okay? Which means you're going to have a series of 5 letters that you're going to type in there. Okay? And the last one, blizzards, is a direction clue. So you're going to use words like up, down, left, right. Okay? And you're going to, once again, read the text and then answer the questions. Okay? And the first letter of each will give you a clue. Okay, I believe. All right, so the last thing I wanted to mention with this is a 2-day activity. Okay, as it says here. Okay, when you are using the digital escape room, main page, if you put your codes here and then close it out, it will not save your codes. When you come back tomorrow, they're going to be gone. So if you can't remember them, you'd have to work all over again. So what Mrs. Small has done to help you is under classwork, I have made a Reading Storm Chasers Escape page that you can Google form that's yours alone, that you can house your codes on so that you don't lose them. Okay, so don't forget to use this page, okay, to record your codes until you're ready to be finished, and that's when you put it on the Weather Escape. If you've got your codes 100% correct, when you submit, it'll say, yay, you did it, you escaped. If you didn't get them right, okay, it'll say, here, I'll purposely do one wrong. Okay, so when I hit this, it says still locked. Okay, so when you submit your codes, if it's all set, it'll be just like that. If you have this underneath anything, it's still locked and you've made a mistake somewhere. So you need to go back to the page and work on it again till you get the right answer. Okay? I hope you enjoy these. I love them. I actually, one of the things I'm going to do is try to learn how to make them while we're away. So we'll have more to use when we come back together. All right, enjoy.